Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today or this week may be the time to buy whichever coin you're looking at because the Fed interest rates come this week and we are getting closer to the LBRY type of decision, which could actually affect the Ripple decision and it could affect the entire industry. So the thing is, like, I would actually, like if I was buying, I would actually buy a little bit or like some before the interest rate announcement comes out and a little bit afterwards. I would buy a little bit before, but because just in case, like the market stabilizes after the interest rate announcements, we might actually have a little bit of pump. And I wouldn't buy everything before because like they might raise it by 100 basis points and crash the market again. We don't really know what they're going to do. Like the CPI report of last week basically put 100 basis points back on the table. And because of that, you basically have a situation where like 75 basis points might stabilize and maybe even make the market go up. 100 might actually make the market go down. So you don't want to be all in on one side of it. You want to leave some room. And the thing is, if you buy some right now and they do it by 75, you're at least part way in. So you won't be having to buy at a higher price. Bitcoin's price is pretty low right now. It did actually dip to under 19,000. It was like 18,800. Now it's 19,100. If you actually look at the stock markets right now, I mean, it's barely down at minus 4.18. That's literally nothing. So the stock market is literally waiting for the Fed's interest rate hike. Yields will actually go up. I think DXY will continue going up. And that doesn't really bode well for cryptocurrency prices. But we have the LBRY case being decided soon, and that will play heavily into the Ripple case and will affect the entire industry. If LBRY gets a favorable ruling and the SEC loses, then I believe that XRP is probably also going to win its case, and the SEC will have much less power to sue other coins as well. The thing about these cases is it sets precedents. It doesn't really matter if they're sealed, settled, whatever. Like if the SEC has to like sue for like a better settlement, or like even if it's a sealed settlement and like nothing happens to these companies and they start operating again full basis with their coins, everyone else will actually know that the SEC doesn't have much teeth to actually sue people with, and the industry will actually get a breath of fresh air, and that actually might make the crypto price go up. So with those two events actually coming, you want to be in a little bit at least before they come. Now they might drop if it goes the wrong way, but you want to hedge your bets, so you don't want to go all in before they drop, but you do want to be somewhat in, I would expect, just in case they turn out to be good, the market stabilizes or rallies. So this week I think is a pretty critical week if you're actually in the buying market. Definitely like I might buy some like right now, like let's say like 30-40% right now, and then save the rest of my money for when those decisions or when the Fed interest rates go come down. Now, I'm not really sure what the Fed interest rates rise will be. It's going to be 75 or 100. I'm betting 75, but just in case it is 100, you want to have some money left over after they announce that and crash the markets because Jerome Powell is pretty determined to crash the markets. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button, and I will see you guys later.